This is for fellow MCB members. Tukubanga giwambili ma group and I've seen a lot of posts on social media onena kuti MCB tinajitaya because Jakwera nadenga vitombiko mumbara ngati running mate. But in my own honest opinion, even if Jakwera nakadenga gurani hara, dziko sitika nadengabe. Because people did not lose interest in my running mate. People personally lost interest with Jakwera. Background kunena Zoona, people didn't want Jakwera because of the way he has governed this nation. Zinuzambiri says Mainda. And people are complaining a lot about decision making in Kavuda. So decision making, I don't think in Mavuda because of issue running mate. I mean, Anasanka Jakwera. I don't think so. Komano, we need to understand kuti olana kajitenga ka running mate wanji. I don't think MCB kanatenga beboma. And it's a very honest opinion. Kuti dzigoli tinaluza because of our presidential candidate. MCB lost because of its presidential candidate. And to some afuna presidential candidate yo, not the running mate. Olana kadenga ndani. I think even ana kora denga kabambi, it would still mean nothing to Malawians because Antu sama mufuna Jakwera. So Zomwe nena kuti ya running mate, we should blame Virumbiko Mumba kuti ndamene wati Ruzisa. Guys, ologurani anakakalapo. She couldn't have done anything because dzigoli antu sama mufuna ndikale Jakwera. This is what we need to understand. And if we are to go into government again, I think itento nesese kuti presidential candidate amene akubwerai akhale onena kuti amalawa zankonde. Otherwise tizikhabe ku opposition mpaka na zaka. And honestly speaking, izizi za tribalism zizonena kuti ife tizili a central region alembesa mavoti 2 million ka 3 million whatever ndiye kuti tiza central region izadivotera. If this is the case, then let's forget it. MCB sizalenga soboma because tikati tionesese ku southern region kumene kumakanthu ambirimbiri. And honestly Jakwera anasogola ma district 6 if not 7. And ABM took the rest of the districts, which to me, olevinira za Kodi 2030 yo, ngati tizavoteredwe so ma district yake athu ukhawa wawa kuti kumadalira dowa lilongwerulo, kumadalira Njinji, kumadalira Kasungu, then we should forget it. MCB sitizalenga soboma, honestly speaking.